unlocks the future.
Hello guys, I hope you all are fine, and today I'm going to make a review on Mi wireless power bank 10,000 mAh Qi certified, and this is a Xiaomi company's wireless power bank, and I've used this power bank from 7 months, and I've found that this power bank is not very good for wireless charging and as well as cable charging. As you can see here on the box, they are telling that the fast charging with USB-A, with this USB-A, it will give up to 18 watt fast charging, and with this wireless charging pad on the top of this power bank, this is the top of the power bank and this is the back side, you can see it here, this is the wireless charging pad. They say that this wireless charging pad charges your wireless phone for 10 watts. Okay, but on the paper they have written like this, but in the reality it differs. For example, I use this wireless power bank to charge my S20 Plus 5G Galaxy S20 Plus 5G phone, and when I charge this phone on this wireless charging pad, it approximately takes 3 hours 30 minutes to completely charge my 4500 mAh battery of this S20 Plus 5G on this wireless charging pad with 10 watt capacity. It takes 3 hours 30 minutes to fully charge this battery of my phone. When I connect this to the 18 watt Type A cable, this actually charges it for 2 hours. And the main drawback with this power bank is that this power bank capacity is of 10,000 mAh and my phone battery's capacity is 4500 mAh. The thing is, this power bank should at least charge 2 times for this phone, but it doesn't even charge 1.5 times. That means when I once charged my phone with this power bank, half battery of this power bank gets dead for one charge, and for the second charge the juice in this power bank completely gets exhausted. So I recommend you to not buy this Mi wireless power bank, and please don't waste your money on this Xiaomi's wireless power bank, because the Xiaomi claims that you only get 6 months of warranty on this wireless power bank, and they are not even giving 1 year of warranty on this power bank. And this power bank, while I charge this power bank by connecting this Type A cable to an adapter, it just takes 4 hours to get fully charged, and you know what, it gets overheated. Until it gets fully charged, it gets overheated. So I request you to please do not buy this Mi wireless power bank, guys. So you can see here, when I keep this phone like this, you can see it's charging. This is a wireless charging pad over here, and this blue light indicates the wireless charging pad is on, and this 4 lines indicate the power of the power bank, the battery power of the power bank, and this is the on and off button of the power bank. This is the 18 watt fast charging Type A cable, you can see here, fast charging. And you know what, this power bank only charges the Qi certified wireless devices like phones, earbuds and watches. And this wireless power bank do not support the Galaxy Gear 3 watch. As you can see here, I have my Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 watch over here. This wireless power bank is now turned on. You can see here the blue light is blinking. When I place it on the wireless charging pad, it doesn't charge my Gear S3 because this Galaxy watch is not Q certified, so it doesn't charge on this wireless charging pad of this power bank. So please do not buy the products which are not Q certified. Only buy the products which are Q certified, so that this wireless power bank will charge those devices. As you can see here, it charges my wireless phone. So finally guys, my overall review on this power bank is, I suggest you to not buy this Xiaomi's wireless power bank 10,000 mAh because this is not worth your money. Thank you guys. See you later.